Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to read binary options. In the previous video I told you that we are gonna open $1,000 positions today, and you got it. Let's make a good profit together, guys. So all the country players haven't picked. Let's pick some indicators. The first one is gonna be the Bollinger Bands and the second one is the RSI. Let's adjust them a little bit at the period 13 and the deviation 2 on the Bollinger Band. I recommend you to do the same if you trade the strategy. And let's move on to the RSI at the period 13. And basically we are gonna use these indicators in combination with the settings. We trade on the 1 minute time frame. Like I said, we are gonna open $1,000 positions. By the way, this is the maximum trade amount, and let's find the country pair for the most profitable position entry. And let's begin analyzing, guys. We open a long position here right away. We've managed to catch a nice trade entry. The trend seems to be changing right now because there is narrowing of the Bollinger Band and the price goes sideways. If you look at the RSI, we see that nothing happening, the sideways trend. Then we look at the support and resistance zones. And basically we need to make the price dynamics into consolidation. Also we can observe the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. And when the touching takes place, we generally open the long and let's wait for the outcome. And the price is gonna determine its trend really soon. And the first position had been closed in profit. There is no stopping here. Let's find the next counter pair. We also observe the sideways trend here, but actually it's not clear what to do here. However, have a look at this. We have permission level, and let's open a short position. I guess this is a good one. We observe the sideways trend on the chart. We can point out this resistance zone. The price touch this level again, and the price should start moving downwards into a small correction. If you look at the RSI, the moving average is at the peak and the correction should take place here. That's why we open the short. Also, there was a touch of the upper boundary of the channel, and when that happens we generally open a short. However, when there is a touch of the lower boundary, we open a long. As simple as that, guys. And let's watch. The price is close to the trade entry level. And there we go. Another position hadn't closed with a profit. We opened correctly, and let's not read this out and find the next counter pair. So the price is near the level 1.34. So this is support zone. Well, let's open a long position. I think with the upward dynamics expected here and the breakout is gonna happen, because we should pay close attention to this area, the sideways trend. And here is the touch of the support zone, which we identified early, and I think the rebound is gonna happen and the price will go upwards. Also, there was the touch of the lower boundary of the channel, and opening a long is a great option here. Actually, it's been a while since the RSI crossed the overbought zone, and based on all this, we opened the position correctly. The price is moving near the straight entry level, but still impulsive movement take place, but it's too early to draw conclusions. And the position has been closed with a profit. The breakout has eventually happened on the last second. Good job guys, and let's find the next currency pair. So here we can also see the touch previously, the uptrend took place, and let's open a long here. I consider this position entry very perspective. If you look at the RSI and take its sentiment and behavior into consideration, we realize that the upward dynamics prevails here. The local lows were updated here and there. Also, there was a touch of the lower boundary of the channel, which indicates, based on our previous trades, that the price is gonna go upwards. We should also point out this huge correction, after which the little pullback is very probable, and I don't consider this wrong thinking. If the price goes sideways, the level of the position entry gives us some mismatches, and I think the price will be closed in profits. Our position signed profits, we got lucky here. The breakout has currently happened in the last second, exactly as I expected, so the price started going upwards, and let's continue the trading session. So the price has gone down here. Anyway, we should wait for the touch and then open the position. Here we see strong downward dynamics, the corrections gained moments. And however, I think it makes sense to open a long, and we are gonna open extra positions if things still go wrong. So, and let's do this just to be sure we are safe here. We opened correctly, and considering the price dynamics, a strong correction is dominating here. And judging by the previous correction, the rebound is about to happen, and the price is gonna go move up to its new price maximum, because the local low has been updated here, and the price is gonna go move upwards. I guess you got it guys. There are 5 seconds left before the closing of the first position. I wonder if the breakout is gonna happen, and this is exactly what just happened. The breakout gained moments. The first position hadn't closed in profits. And there are several seconds. And there we go. They are also in profits, so you can't be afraid of taking risk, guys. So when we trade the strategy, it's kind of complicated to lose. We open the first position here, hoping the breakout is gonna happen, and then we open a few extra positions just in case, and you saw there was some space for unexpected price fluctuation. So let's find the next currency pair. And let's open along the direction of the trend. We don't need to think twice here. The downward dynamics dominates here. The channel was getting narrow in this area, and here it expanded dramatically. We might have assumed that the rebound was gonna happen here, and then the further correction took place. Here is a little pullback, quite nice one, after which the price is gonna continue going down following the trend direction, Actually, the trade entry level is not the best judging by the candle, but it doesn't matter. A really strong signal, and it's obvious that the price is gonna go down and update this price minimum. The breakout of the previous zone should happen, of the previous price range. That's why another position had been closed in profit. So guys, let's make $20,000 on the balance today and find the next currency pair, and we are gonna find the most promising trade entry. The touch is happening, and let's open a long position, guys, and watch the fuse movement. It seems to be okay. The price has gone up. I want to point out the support zone here. Previously this zone worked out perfectly. Look at this rebounds, and now we are gonna see the same thing. Also, we observe the minimum here on the other side. Basically a good correction takes place here, after which the price is gonna go up. The breakout seems to be happening. We got a nice trade entry level. Volatility it's not that high, and the most important is to avoid impulse. Unfortunately here, and I guess we should open 3 more long position. The principle of the trade entry is absolutely the same. I think the approved price impulse should be over by now, and now is gonna be a different story. We want the candle to close as high as possible, because there are two touches of the lower boundary. The indicator is not gonna mislead us, and I hope we are gonna see at least a small rebound. The upward dynamics should take place, or at least the price should hold at this level for a while in order to determine this view's direction. And basically there are 15 seconds left before the closing, and let's watch, guys. And there we go. As you can see, our additional positions have been closed in profits, exactly as we expected. So we took a little risk and we are in huge profit. And let's find the next currency pair. So we're opening 2 long positions. Looks really promising, guys, and it's getting more clear that this uptrend, also the updating of the local lows did happen here. Then there was a nice pump and healthy correction followed up. Then there was a touch of the middle line of the channel, and basically if we consider that there was a flat movement before, now the rebound was happened and the price is going up. Exactly as it happened early, the price was holding for a while and determined its direction, and then the price decided to move upwards. We can see that on the chart, and I think we opened correctly, guys. And there we go. All the positions have been closed in profits. We got $20,000 on the balance, exactly as I promised. That's what we've managed to earn today. And let's move to the withdrawal. Let's withdraw. Let's withdraw $10,000. Press the continue button. Our transaction is being processed, so I'd rather keep $10,000 on the balance. This balance is gonna work. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and I hope you understood that sometimes it's worth taking a risk in order to make huge profit. So press the like buttons, subscribe to the channel, and leave the comments down below. Good luck on trading. Bye bye.